Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. This is Prakash here. So, what is emotions basically? So, emotions basically it's nothing but a part of fun. It's nothing but a part of happiness, anger, or hatred. So these are the different parts of your emotions. If these things are not there, that we are not a humankind. So basically, that emotional connectivity, the single definition of that, because it's a bond, it's holds together with your relationship. So the relationship may be your family members, the relationship may be your with friends, with your colleagues in workplace. You love your work, so that's the most strengths to have. So without this strong emotional connectivity, that relations can be drifted apart. And also the emotional connectivity motivates for your future behavior, because this emotional connectivity will helps our body to make them that quick actions influences thoughts that can be felt. So it is the strong motivator for your future behavior. So in my role, that emotional connectivity is important because it ties me to my colleagues, to my co-workers, to my manager, rather than lending me apart. And it also invites feelings, not thoughts. That's also very helpful to tie with those people, and that to let them know that they will work harder and they will work better. So it's basically inspired me more and more of confidences which maintain composers. And in the other ways, that emotional connectivity helps me to establish that emotional boundaries, which also helpful for me to learn about that communication, then management, then problem solving skills and relationships in my workplace. So without emotional connectivity, I think so that peoples are worthless, peoples are like unvaluable in their life. If you think something to achieve in your life, if you think something to intimate them, if you think something to prove them, so you should have a emotional connectivity to those things in your life. If I dream something to achieve in my life, if I dream something to be a top level in my professional career, so there should be a emotional connectivity with my dreams, with my desires in my life. And in my workplace, if I don't have that emotional connectivity with my products, with my collections, with the job profile that I have been designated for, so I will not grow in my life. I will not grow at top level positions in my professional career. Even that it also helps me that it also helps me to get a good bond, to get a good relation with my customers as well. So that also helps me to drive a good numbers, to good business for my store. So how it comes, that emotional connectivity comes when you feel these things from your heart, when you feel these things from your soul, from your mind. Supposed to be, if that the new collections are coming to the store and you don't know about that, what are the how the products are, how their prices are, how the colors are, what is the design of that. So you can't explain to your customers in a proper way, in a good manner. So there should be also emotional connectivity with your products, so that then you can explain with your products in a better way, in a better manner. So these are the ones I just discussed with you. Thank you so much.